I realize that I don't have any public Figma work because most of the libraries that I work on, I can't show the actual libraries. So I'm recreating GitLab's library in the way that I would organize it. And I'm going to show you how we use micro automations to speed up the process. There might be a fancy way to do this using Figma Make, but I just have a free account. So here's the before, the brand colors, and I'm putting it inside of a spreadsheet, if you will, with the brand color, token name, the hex value, and all the other information. I'm going to have to repeat this process over and over. You can see that 17, 13, 21 is repeated. So I created a micro automation in order to go ahead and click on the color, copy the value, and then paste it in the right spot. I'll hover my mouse over the color and trigger my micro automation. And it automatically copies the value. That way I can just go ahead and hover my mouse over each color and ensure that the values are accurate. More soon.